Hello, good morning, dear students. This side Akash Arora from Ajmer, actually, right? Today I'm going to start a live session, live videos, tutorials for class 12th IP, actually. Subject code is 065, you all know, right? So for IP, I will create all the videos for series, data frame, pandas, matplotlib, right? We will get all the videos, all the course content. 12th IP course code is 065, right? So I have 12 years of experience on this field only, right? So today we are going to start from this, right? So today the first topic, that is series, panda series. You have already gone through it, right? So today we are going to start panda series. What is series, how to work on series, we are working on it, right? So here we are going to start. Yes, now what is pandas actually? In 11th class also you have studied about Python. What is Python? Python is a programming language used to construct a program, right? So in Python you have studied about math library, right? In math library there are multiple methods are there. You have already worked, right? Math library there are multiple methods, mathematical functions we are using, right? Similarly in pandas, Python, there is a package that is pandas. Pandas is a package, or you can say it is a module, or you can say it is a library which is used for data sciences or data analysis. Actually, this world is of data, actually, right? We have multiple source of data, multiples of data generated in every second, actually, right? So for that data, for analyzing the data, pandas is a package we can use in the Python, right, for data analysis, actually, right? Data analysis and manipulation. Pandas make data importing, data analyzing much easier. We can import the data from external file, actually, right? And it builds on packages like NumPy. Last year we have studied, and matplotlib. This you will study in actually in 12th class. Matplotlib is used for visualization, actually. Whatever data analysis there, you can visualize through multiple maps and graphs, actually, right? This is what we call pandas. Now next, what are the basic features of pandas? Yes, pandas, we will study about two data structure, that is data frame series. In data frame, object keep tracking of our data, multiple data you can store. We have different data type like float, integer, all data types are supported by this. Built-in function like easily grouping up, you can use, you can joins, you can rolling windows, you can do. Yes, easily pull of data, important thing. Backend is MySQL or CSV, you can easily pull the data, get the data, right? The tools for loading data into a memory. Data alignment you can done, reshaping you can done. Suppose you have to analyze a particular part of a data, right? So that can also be done using slicing, indexing, subsetting. So this is what we call pandas, right? Now in pandas there are two data structure. First one, although there are three data structures: series, data frame, and panel, right? But panel is not in the syllabus, right? So we will work on series and data frame. Yes. Now what is a series? Series is like a 1D array. Important thing is it is like a 1D array. That means there is some difference, right? So what are these difference? You can see this. Suppose this is your 1D array. This is your elements 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the elements of 1D array, right? So by default in 1D array, indexes are 0, 1, 2 and 3. You cannot edit this. These are the fixed that indexing are there, numeric indexing there, that will start from 0. That is okay. Now in series, every data has two parts, actually. First one is data part, and second part, this is your index part, and this is your data part. Suppose data is again the same, that is 10, again I am saying that is 20, then I am saying 30, then I am saying 40, right? And here you can provide index number according to your own, A, B, C, D, E, whatever index number you want, you can provide, right? So this is what we call series. The basic difference between array and series is, in array there is a numeric indexing that is default, and in this series, this is called labeled indexing. Important has yes, right. labeled data are there, right? Now basic features are homogeneous data, that means similar type of data, same as array. Size immutable, you cannot change the size, but values are data mutable, that means values can be changed, right? This is what we call series. Next is data frame. Data frame is again, it is a like a 2D data structure, like a two-dimensional data structure, same as in 1D array same as series, and 2D array same as data frame actually, right? In this there is a columns, rows, sorry, and these are the column indexes. Again, these are the label indexing we can do. Heterogeneous data, each type of each column, suppose this column contains all string values, date values, string values, numeric values, so heterogeneous data type can be stored. Size is mutable and data is also most important. The size can also be changed and data can also be changed. This is what we call data frame. We will discuss in detail also. Yes, now how to create a series. Yes, that is clear that a series is a 1D type data structure, but indexing can be done manually, right? So what is it? It is a one dimension array capable of holding multiple integer string. Already I told you float, Python object, etc. Can be created using the constructor. Why we are using word constructor? Constructor is a function actually, right? This is a function constructor, and it is actually used in object oriented programming. Python is your object oriented programming only, right? So pandas dot series, whenever you have to use the series function, you have to put pandas before it, because it is not a part of actually Python. We are using an external library over here, right? That's why we are using pandas, right? Before this we can use before starting any program we have to use import pandas, because we are using a pandas library, right? Actually every time we have to use pandas, so in short way we can write import pandas as pd. Now wherever you have to use pd pandas, you can use pd actually. This is just a short form. You can put your name a b c whatever you will. So to create a series, we will use a series function. Before series function, we will put pandas or pd. In this, there are three parts, that is data, index, and dtype. Data is what data stored. Index is index labels, and dtype is data type of data. Suppose integer, float, object. That is the things, right? Now, how to create a series? Series can be created using array, can be created using dictionary, can be created using cellular value or constant value. For NumPy array, I will create a separate video also. If you have any issues, right, you can put in comment box. Right now, we will create a series, right? How to create a series? Series function is there. Before series function, we have to write pd or pandas, pd or pandas. Now we will create a series. Yes, here what I will do is I will explain you everything through programming only, right? That means basically if we are going to create a program, we are not going to show you on ppt only. We will go through the spider actually. So I am going for a spider id, you all know. I thought if you don't have installed it, you have to install the python spider actually, because on a spider anaconda, whatever software you are using, right, you can use, but we will go for practical way only, right? So first way, yes, these are the methods through which you can create a series. Methods are empty series you can create. Next is your series from list. Yes, third one is series from nd array. Next is series from dictionary, and next is series from scalar values. These are the five areas through which you can create a series. Yes, my spider is ready to use. Yes, we are going for this, right? Yes, yes, I have created a new file so that we can go for it. Yes, and this new file we are going to create our first series actually, right? Okay, just wait a second. All right. Now we are creating a series. As I already told you, if you want to create a series is a part of pandas. So we have to import pandas in our Python actually. First we have to write import pandas, right? As pd, this pd is short name actually. One more thing is there. Before using this pandas, we have to install this pandas. I am using a spider id. There is already pandas is installed. One separate video I will give you, through which you can install the pandas library actually, if you are using python ideally actually, right? I will give you. Yes, import pandas as PD. Yes, this is the statement, first statement we are writing, because we have to import the pandas library. Now to create a series, suppose I have a pd dot series. This is the function. These are the round brackets because it is a function. Now I have put a print s. Actually, I have not put any value, right? This is what we call empty series. We are creating here a empty series. We are creating here a empty series. Yes. Yes, you can see there is an empty series, blank values there. Yes, D type is float. Most important is data type is float only. That means agar by default, if you have not provided any data type, the by default data type is float only, right? Now the second method is using list. We will create a series using list only. Now how to create a array? Series using list. First we will do s equals to pd dot series. Yes, then in this there are two parts, that is data and index. First I will work on data. There is a list. Suppose I have put the values, that is 10, 20, 30 and 40. These are the four values. I have not put any index. If I write print s, that means I am printing my series actually. Yes, this is the main thing. See, this is the series. These are the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3. Because I have not provided an index, I have provided only data 10, 20, 30 and 40. That's it. So they have provided the index number by default according to their own, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. By default indexing is 0, 1, 2, 3, right? If you want to put any indexes, because it is required, otherwise it is an array only, right? So I will put data equals to suppose 10, 20, 30 and 40, right? Next is I will put the indexes, right? Index equals to again a list, yes, this list will contain exact numbers as the data. Yes, there are four data, so index are also four only, right? A, B, C and suppose fourth one is D. Yes, print s. Yes, if I put it, yes, C. Again series has been created. Now the index numbers are A, B, C and D. Previously index was 0, 1, 2, 3. Now index labels are A, B, C and D. This is how you can create a series. First method is using empty. Third one is, second one is sorry, using list. Now third one is using ND array, or you can say numpy array, because in this pandas we will use numpy array. Actually this is the part of 11th class curriculum, right? If anyone has any issue, we will provide a separate video for this. Before using this, we have to import again a library, import numpy as np. It is also a separate library used in pandas, actually python actually, right? And import numpy as np. Np is again a short name. We'll first create an array, np dot array. Yes, a list can be used. Suppose a list contain 11, 22, 33 and 44. These are the values. And if I want to create a series, s equals to pd dot series. Yes, from where I created a is what we call actually numpy array, right? Through which we created the array, right? Series. When I put okay, yes, now the values are, oh sorry, I have not printed this series, that's why it is not displayed, right? So print s, print s means print the series. Yes, see, series is 11, 22, 33 and 44. Here index are not there because I have not mentioned any index. If you want to put index, you just put comma while creating series, index equals to, yes, suppose first index is p, then it is q, then it is r, then it is s. Yes, if I run this program, yes, again there are four values p, q, r, s. These are the index values, and 11, 22, 33 and 44, these are the values. This is how you can create a series. First is empty series, second is list, and third one is nd array values. Yes, now next part is scalar value. Using scalar value also we can create a series. How we create a series? S equals to pd dot series. Scalar, what is scalar? A fixed value. That means right now I'm giving 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I'm giving fixed value 50 for all, whatever index I mentioned. Suppose I mentioned pd dot series. Yes, fixed value is 50. Yes, index equals to whatever index you want to put. Suppose three index I'm putting, index a, and second index B and third index C. Yes. Suppose I print this, print S. Yes. Whenever I put this, yes, you can see that there are three values are there. A, B, C are index number and fixed value are there, 50, 50 and 50. These are the fixed value, or you can say scalar value actually, right? Now the next is using dictionary, last method actually, to create a series. Using dictionary, first we have to create a dictionary. What is dictionary? Dictionary is a data structure in Python which have key value pair. You have already, I thought you know this. Dictionary equals to, this is the curly braces. How you can create a is your key value 1, next is B, again key value, that is 2, then C, again key value, that is 3. I will create a series. S equals to PD dot series. Series S is capital. Most important thing is this, right? From which I have created dictionary. Through dictionary I will create this series. Print S. Suppose I am putting, yes. Yes, you can see here there are three values are there, 1, 2 and 3, and A, B, C are the index labels actually, right? So in when we are creating a dictionary series from dictionary, the index key values will be work as an index and the values will work as a data of the series actually, right? So these are the 5 methods through which you can create a series. I hope you all understand this, right? And these notes I will provide you in the link option only, comment section only, right? Yes. Yes. We'll start again from here. Yes. So I have we have done with this empty series from list, ND array, dictionary, and scalar value, right? Yes. This is how you can create a series. Series function is there. No is there. Here I write import pandas as P series. I have not put PD. I have put P series. That means you can give any name actually. This is what I want to show. This is the blank series option, and this is the data type. By default data type is float 64 only, right? Next, now this is how you can create a series using list. Second method actually, in series list is, here you can see values I have put as 20, 30, 40, I'm sorry, yes, 20, 30, 40 and 50.2, 60. These are the values, right? Here one value is floating. You can see one value I have put float. So it have converted all the values in float, because we know that series is a similar data elements actually, right? So it have converted all the values in the actually in this format only, right? Yes. Next is floating only. Here I have not put any index. Here I have put indexes also, nursery, LKG, HKG. So these are the indexes with value associated. This is how you can create a series from list. Now the third method is create a series from ND array, or we can say numpy array. Yes, I have imported numpy, I have imported pandas. This is for array, this is for series. Yes, first I have created an array, then I have created this. From this array I have created this series. Because the series data is ABCD, so the D type is object only. I have already explained. Here with data I have put my own indexes also. Here I have not put any index, so 0, 1, 2, 3. Here the indexes are 100, 100, 101, 102, 103. This is how you can create a series from ND array. Yes. Now next, how to create from dictionary. First we'll create a dictionary. 3 key values are there: nursery, LKG and HKG. These key value will become the indexes: nursery, LKG, HKG, and the values, that is 20, 30, 40. It will work as a value for this series, and D type is integer because all values are integer. You can change the index also. Suppose this nursery, LKG, HKG I don't want, so I will put dictionary, and index I will put, that is A, B, C, whatever I want. So we can change the dictionary indexes also, and if you don't change, the key values will work as an index only when we create a series from dictionary actually. Next is how to create a series from scalar value. Scalar value means again fixed value. I have put 5. So there are 4 index, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and fixed values are 5, 5, 5 or 5. This is how you can create a series. There are 5 methods I have already discussed with you, right? 5 methods are there. First one is empty series, second one is from list, third one is array, Fourth one is your scalar value, and fifth one is your dictionary. Through these methods we can create a series, right? So today my video is about creating series only, right? Rest the second part of this video, how to do slicing, how to perform operations on series, and attributes of series, right? That I will send you soon. Hope if you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel, right? If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel. And if any was any issue on it, any topic of 11th and 12th IP, you just give write in comment, so I will give you the full video of the same, right? Kindly like and subscribe my channel, and I will send you all the videos related to Python, class 11th and 12th IP both. Right now I have started with class 12th IP. Thank you so much. That's all for today. Have a nice day.